Hey all, welcome to the next session of private equity. Today we'll discuss on how the partner transfer in private equity, maybe LP or GP. So how it get transfer. So ever heard of investor buying and selling their stake in private equity fund? This called a partner transfer. Imagine you are an investor in the $1 million funds, but you need a cash flow instead of waiting for the years. You sell your stake to another investor just like flipping real estate. But in the world of private equity, this happen in the secondary market. And guess what? General partner has improved on this part. Want to know how big investor make money behind the scene? Hit the follow for a more equity insight. So how it's transfer? The partner transfer allow are the LP and GP to sell their fund stake to another investor. Why it's matter? Ensure the liquidity without disturbing the fund. Example, LP sale fund stake in the secondary market when the need early exit. The fund continue and investor get change. That's all. For this part, if you know more info, just click on our comment section and hit the like button. We'll meet you on the next part. Thank you.